After you've put a video on your Mac into your PowerPoint, there's still some editing needed to make its integration as seamless as possible. The size, position, and rotation can be controlled by the bounding box and the circle with an arrow, allowing you to place the video just like any other element on a PowerPoint slide. Be sure to only use the four corner boxes of the bounding box when resizing in order to avoid warping the dimensions of your video. When the video on the slide is selected, you'll notice new tab options at the top of PowerPoint to manipulate the video further. Under the Video Format tab, you'll be able to adjust the look of your video. You can do things like add borders and drop shadows and have fine-tuned control over its positioning on the slide. You can also do some color adjustments to the video, which can be useful for things like changing the video to black and white. The most commonly used tools, however, will be under the Playback tab, where you control how your video functions as opposed to how it looks. There, you can select what triggers the video to start. For most projects, you'll want it to start automatically. You also have options to loop the video and adjust the video's volume. However, you have slightly more fine-tuned volume control using the volume slider in the video's playback bar. On the left in the Playback tab, you can use Trim Video to ensure that only the segment you want to appear actually is seen by your audience. Usually, you'll want to cut off the first few seconds as you get yourself situated, and the last few seconds as you walk to your camera to turn it off. Drag the beginning and ending sliders to select only the portion of the video you want to play. Then click Trim. You can also use Trim to cut up one longer video across multiple slides. Simply copy the video onto each slide and then use Trim to select just the portion that you want to appear on each slide. Once you have your video positioned, styled, and functioning the way you want, make sure to save it. Finally, test your slideshow to ensure that your video is integrated seamlessly and plays as intended.